How to check profit on Robinhood. Launch the Robinhood app, iOS or Android, or go to robinhood.com. Sign in using your credentials. On the home screen, you'll see your total portfolio value at the top. Below it, Robinhood shows today's return, daily gain, loss, all-time return since you started investing. Tap on any stock or crypto you own. Scroll down to see average cost, your average by price. Equity, total value of your position. Total return, this is your profit or loss since purchase. Percent return shows how much you've gained or lost in percentage. Tap the person icon in the bottom right, then tap Investing. Here you'll find count value over time, total return by time frame, 1D, 1W, 1M, 3M, 1Y, all. Go to menu greater than statements and history greater than account statements. Download CSVs to track detailed profit, loss, dividends, and realized gains for taxes. Thanks for watching.